So I've got these seeds, and I made little signs with these old plastic pieces of cutlery, and I've taken a dab of glue and I've glued the seeds to the end, and I just want to got myself a spot here, and I'm thinking that I want to be able to just have a marker and an easy way to plant these. So in it goes. Here's a squash, and this way I won't be stepping on them. Just take the little stick, make a bit of a hole, stick that in, push it down. Now my garden actually has a mulch underneath this straw that is newspaper. So this also helps just poke it through the newspaper layer into the soil. And then there's the marker. Okay. And we'll just work our way along. I figure this is as good a place as any. It's got nice sunny exposure, about 6 hours of solid sunlight. And these are all squash seeds from last year's crop. So here we go. Okay. Just a row right along here. You can see the seeds stick on the end, just goes right down with that marker about 2 inches in. Okay, keep moving along here. Okay, there it is. And the last one. There it is. See what happens.